Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Intuit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Intuit, first, visit the Intuit website or download the QuickBooks app. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. After signing in, navigate to the budgeting section, usually found under the Money or Budget tab. Begin by setting your financial goals for the month or year. Input your expected income, including salary, bonuses, and any other revenue sources. Next, create categories for your expenses, such as housing, groceries, and entertainment. Estimate the amount you want to allocate to each category based on past spending habits. After setting your categories, review the total budget to ensure it aligns with your income. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure your budget is realistic and achievable. Save your budget, and make sure to check it regularly to track your spending. As you spend throughout the month, update the app with actual expenses in each category. Review your budget weekly to see if you are staying on track. If you notice any overspending, adjust your categories or expenses accordingly for the next month. Utilize the reporting tools in the app to analyze your spending patterns over time. This analysis can help refine your budget and improve financial decision-making. Finally, celebrate your budgeting successes and continue to refine your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.